I'm a social worker.
And I'm a journalist in Berlin.
And I'm a coach, primarily working for corporations.
I teach yoga.
Me, and I work as a couple therapist and social worker.
So the calling was really wanting to do deep work of transformation for me and my clients.
And I came here for professional purposes and also for personal growth.
I came here to become a better clinician by being more in touch with myself.
Something called me and I wanted to do something for me, so I came.
And a strong conviction that the only way to get that deep transformation was through trance and the work that Stephen does, and I wanted to learn how to do that.
My conscious mind can be really loud, and to accept that, and it took me a couple of days to get that.
Realizing how much I had kind of pent up inside, and allowing myself to be open to processing all of those things.
That the first work I needed to do here was on myself.
And also to be okay not being okay. That's probably my biggest learning. Just let go, in a way.
Finding that continuous layer of self-compassion.
Just go for it. You will not regret it. Some words, just do it. Just do it. Come here.
Come. Come. It's an amazing place of growth, learning, healing. It's a place where I think friendships for life are formed.
It'll probably be one of the most heart-opening experiences of your life.
I would recommend to everybody to come.
This is one of the most welcoming places that you could ever experience in your life.
So if there's any whisper in your ear that says there is some part of me that could use some healing, just come here.
All right, start over. Okay.